Okay, finally we're going to go into the financial information tab. I saved it last because it has many fields in there, many calculated fields that need that the fields that need further explanation. Um, and has to do with financial information maintained for this particular customer. Uh, Looking at this, the first field that we see here is the terms. Terms, as you know, is how you define the payment term for this customer, whether it's net 30, COD. For example, COD being you have to pay on delivery, cash on delivery. You expect the customer to pay for the service right at the time you deliver the part. Prepaid, that means they have to pay ahead of time before we even start working on the job. Hold, that means like don't do any more work for this account. The account is on hold because either they have not paid in the past or there's some kind of issue pending. So hold is to put the account on hold. Net 30, common ones are net 30, 45, net 60, 90, with sometimes discounts built in. For example, in this case here, you have a 1%, 15, and 30. What does it mean? It means if the customer pays within 15 days of the invoice, they get a 1% discount. If they pay within 30 days, then there's no, the normal terms have 30 days to pay, but if they pay early, they get a discount. The discount 1% or 2% encourages customer to pay earlier, and having cash, payment received early is better for any company. So that's how you set up the terms. You see wire transfer, wire being via electronic payment, credit card, CR card, a CR check by check or by credit card. So what those terms, what they are. So we're gonna say, okay, we're gonna go net 30. Okay, and you can see the system fills in the due days, the discount percentage automatically for you. Okay, so due days 30 days, discount day, that's how many days. You can look at the field, this day, that's the field name. 30 days, they get no discount in this term. 30 days, net 30, you don't get any discount at all. Credit limit meaning how much you allow them to owe you at any given time, like open balance. If I give them a $10,000 limit, that means that's the maximum the open order can be. If they try to order like a 20,000 or 15,000, the system will prevent that from happening. The system will warn you of customer exceeding the credit limit. Okay? If you put zero in, then there's no, well, if you put high number in, then there's no limit, of course. But if you set a limit, then that's what it's going to be, the credit limit. Okay? So if I set 1,000 and you're trying to put an order for 2,000, the system will warn you of not possible. It's not. That's not possible. Yeah. No. No. Zero is. Well, I won't warn you. I think it ignores that. If zero means, I think there's no limit. Yeah. True. No limit. Right. Yeah. It's set to zero. Surcharge. If they a surcharge mean if you want to charge them like an additional percentage of charge for each each invoice that you generate for them. That's a surcharge percent. So let's say 5% surcharge for this customer only. Then every time you do work for them, there's an add-on 5% surcharge on the work. Okay, and this checkbox has to be checked in order for that surcharge to be kicked in. If you don't check this, the system won't apply the surcharge. Even though you put a percentage in there, it will not charge the customer. Every job. Yeah, the surcharge is for every job.